supporters them. Yeah. So this morning when I do right and when I go bathroom, what am I gonna do? Yeah, so that is a niche. Yeah, so the niche basically just flow out the wall on the back wall. So we just have to go over the shower head. So basically over the window. Yeah. So them tile 15.5 by 48. So fence them with some wavy tile. Nice design on it. Yeah. So in order to get over the window now, we have to start with half a tile at the bottom. So put the tile on two, start at the bottom. So we have the seat for wrap same way, ledge. Yeah. So my people, so right now, I'm going to touch out the bottom now. Yeah. So I'm going to piece of the drop in the so. Yeah, so I basically make a start. I'm going to try to catch out the master road, so yeah. So basically all of the bottom drop out already. Yeah, I'm going to piece of the right either so. We're going to do the back now. This piece of wire, I'm going to quickly make to set the time 48 in a length, so you know, so that I want the whole style stop. So we're going to now start back and next roll time from that the corner there. Cut the pieces that this is corner, yeah. So that's how we're going to just flip them all the way upon the wall right up. Yeah. So as you can see, as I say, I make a start. You know, so I cut out them now. So that one time just cut out. So I already cut out this piece here, which is this. Yeah. Yeah, so this one over there right now. So see it now my peeps, so this is how I'm going to reach now. And I'll go around the niche. Yeah, so this is the niche. Yeah, so we are around the window now. Yeah, so as I said, this bathroom just go over the shower. Right over the shower head, this over the window. So it now go to ceiling. So yeah. So just like 2 more tile right to go. Yeah, so this is the seat. Yeah, we have the shower for cast up and tile. So yeah, only little things same way. Alright my people, so see what I'm doing right now. So we're on the last tile. Yeah, so this is how the last tile go. So we just have like a piece and a cut in. So that's the window. Yeah, so what am I going to do with this now? Yeah, I have the shower floor here now. I'm going to cast up. Yeah, but I'm going to do right and I'm going to drop on the top of this. So I'm going to get this over and done with drop on the top. I have the ledge just now for cut on. Yeah, so as I say, I'm going to drop in a one piece there. Right, this up. Alright, fitting in points, let me see where I go on. Yeah, so that's the last piece I know we have to drop in. Good. Yeah, so as I said, I'm gonna drop on the seat. So if you want, you cut the trim. Measure it back and see if it be right.
This I shouldn't go get through.
I'm gonna adjust that, man. Yeah, so as I said, my people, I'm going to go cast up the shower. So, you drop in the one piece there, cast up the shower. Yeah, as you can see, some nice style. So as it is now, my people, the wall done. Yeah. So already I know I will finish cutting the window. Drop in the niche now. Yeah, so this is the time where I was going to show. Yeah. So you can see put here to put the shower right now. So get the shower line up. Yeah, so I line up the shower to get it cut out. So just basically have to let it turn you know. Drop in all of them trim here. Yeah, so cut out the window and trim it up, cut out the niche and trim it up. Yeah, so this is basically what they're right now. Yeah, so we can cut out the shower. Yeah, so as you can see, bathroom take time to go on. Yeah, so we basically just line up this now to get the shower out of the way. You know, once we put out the shower, I'll drop it in. Yeah. So as I said, this is a nice little seat. That's the niche there, so. Yeah, so it's just over the shower head, not all the way to the ceiling. So you can see the tile then. So it's a nice little wavy white tile. I have a little grey background in it. You know, not milk white, you know. I have a little grey to it. So alright my people, everything done with the bathroom you know. So niche done and drop in. Yeah, so this is the niche. window. Yeah. So we're doing now, we are clean up the growth. After the growth, I'll just drop in the shower bottom. If I know, so we have to stand up inside this also. You know, we can't growth from in there when the shower bottom is wet. So, yeah, that's how we're going there now. So, yeah, let's drop on everything. Yes, and just the shower bottom for drop in, you know. So, once you do, I'm going to do some cleaning up on it, you know.
Yeah, I know. Like, share and subscribe, brother. Tell a friend and a friend, tell a next friend. You see? So they think. Alright, so bless and respect, man.
Yeah. So I just say we're going to clean up with some growth in. I'll try to get the wall growth up. Once we get the wall growth up, now we just drop in the shower bottom. You know, yeah. So, this is the main focus and all the pan. Yeah, to get the wall growth up. As you can see, it's not a big bathroom still, but it kind of takes a little time. You know. Them tile grinder, I have to cut them straight through, so kind of take up more time than normal. You know, if you cut a little, cut them good now. Easy one to run through. Yeah, but grinder cut, we want. Yeah, so see if we get it growth up, you know. So the beauty of it is when you see the shower drop in, it'll drop in the shower floor. Yeah, that time I will see the beauty of it, you know. I mean, it's a small but nice. Yeah. So I'll see if we get him growth up, get him out of the way. Yeah. So remember to like, share and subscribe my people. If you comment in the comment section, yeah, tell me what you think about the job them. Like the video, share the video, you know, share it to your friend, tell your friend to share it to the next friend. Yeah, just share it, like it, you know, give that thumbs up each time. Yes, so we grow it up, you know. Once you put the final little touch on it. Yeah. Show off the drop in and all. Yes. Yes, I see my people, so I'm say growth up. So I'm going to drop in the bottom. Mosaic then they already cut out and everything. So just drop in if you drop in right now. So let me have them a ground so. So everything cut out. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop them in and out. It's alright my people, so right now the shower button drop in. Yeah, so I'm gonna grow it up and now. You know, so once I line up the growth and thing. Yeah. So everything left to grow up right now. So we're going to throw some growth on it. Alright, so the bathroom done and growth up. Yeah. So just grow the shower floor. So as I can see, shower nice and sweet. Yeah, so the niche. So beside this bathroom, just go over the window, right over the shower head. Yeah, so everything finished up now. Just the plumber for coming and put on them fixtures them. So, all is good to go, done and growth up. Yeah, it's a nice 45 around the window. The same thing. So alright my people, so remember to like, share and subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section.